It's another day, and it's Friday. I had a little distraction yesterday to try to get all these cleaned out before this week. Might be another day into next week. I'll walk around here and so I can have a good before and after, because this will be the last bit of this section over here, and then we're moving there next. I'm gonna walk around and let you see. Now these will be some oddball cars over here. Y'all are used to seeing Dodge, Chrysler, and Plymouth. And there's some in here. But there's a few Cutlasses, some GTOs. And here's the last run of the Mopars in the back. Some Pontiacs. We're gonna give it a go at it today. We might not get all of it today, but we'll show you everything we'll get today. Try to have something to watch when y'all get up Saturday or Sunday morning. Maybe even dig out these old trucks. I didn't really pay any attention to that square body there. We're getting everything gassed up. New blades put on. See what we can do. Well, we got a little bit cleared out. We run out of go-go juice. Not in the saws and the brush cutter, but us. It's a whole lot better. See these trucks. Little Firebirds look better. We got them uncovered. Well, that looks good. That screen needs to be clean. And it's funny, we've been out here, ain't no telling how many times I've passed this row of trucks, and I noticed them Dodge, but I did not notice the square body. And it's got a, it's got a car quest on the side of it, so that used to deliver parts somewhere. You'll see we cut down some trees. We didn't get them all in the chipper today. Boss lady said she's had enough, and I'm not gonna argue. Let you see now. I cut down through here, but we hadn't got none of the trees that I cut down and chipped up yet. That'll be where we'll probably come back Wednesday. Cold snap coming Monday or Tuesday, and we're not doing much. I think we got a job Monday putting up pictures in somebody's house. I go slow with these Pontiacs, and this, like that's a Datsun, ain't it? Well, it looks good, all these trees gone. All these, back of these cutlasses, you can see them now. About 2 or 3 hours, we'll have this place done over here. Walk over here and walk back. The sun's kind of giving me a fit with my camera. I'm gonna go back down through and look at the front of these Pontiacs because they always been covered with trees. Yeah, now that's an oddball vehicle. There's some GM products around, but that's the only foreign made job I think we got on the place. There's a Firebird, a Spirit. I don't know how you pronounce that. I know it's not the same model, but I was thinking that's the one Rockford Files had was the Spirit. There's my hood. Somebody hand painted a Firebird or something on it. Not looking as pretty as it used to. Well, I think we're going to call it a day. And make sure y'all hit that like button on the way out. Hit the subscribe. Share this content to anybody that might need some Mopar parts or wants to know where the salvage yard's at. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great weekend.